Hello 44 users. I am in today's video going to show you how to use the Ask the Analyst feature. So hopefully you would have seen this button crop up within the tool in a number of different places, and I'll explain a little bit more about that. But effectively what we've done is bring in a chat style interface and created very refined context windows, which is what AI relies on. Okay, so that information or results back don't become too diffuse, too watered down, which will happen if you try and analyze too much information with AI. We are only taking the context that's on the page with our Ask the Analyst feature. So based on the fact that all of the insights have created this topic within this page, we are only going to interrogate the insights and the information that we have, which means that the search is uh, far better in terms of result. So you can ask any question, you can keep on going, and you'll see that what it also returns is evidence as to how it's arrived at that answer, which is really important because people need to trust that AI is giving the right answer, the right result, returning the right thing. And this is one way that you can check. So I'm going to ask it right here. Okay, so what product features should we build for this topic? Let's ask it that question. It's quite broad, but this is for a demo. You guys can ask far more detailed questions, and you'll see it comes back with its answer. But it will also give us the insights that it has used to derive its answer, which I think is crucial as we follow the trail of breadcrumbs back. And you can imagine somebody who doesn't have all the knowledge, all the know-how, these topics might be still slightly have ambiguity there still, especially if you're a developer or an engineer that's looking at coming up with a solution to a problem. You can use this information, you can follow it all the way back, and you can click on the conversation and you can listen to that point in the video or go to the full conversation once you are there, so that you can determine, you can understand what or how to position a solution for that particular um, cohort, that particular individual. Um, and that's the kind of the power of Ask the Analyst. It crops up in a lot of places, which is really handy. So I can go into my insights. I can use continue that saving. I can go in here and I can look at for APIs, for example, and again the insights will come up and show me kind of based on all of the insights that mention APIs. 137. I can then ask the analyst from here, and it will use that filtered result. Same with conversations. If you are, regardless of whether you're using our note taker or not, if you go into the conversation tab and you look at all conversations, you can filter conversations based on your CRM firmographics and your demographic profiling of users, individuals. So I could go on and have a look at all conversations that are based on customers, for example, or all conversations from lost opportunities. And that would show me the result. And from there, I can start asking the analyst of this group of conversations, but even better, I can go into specific conversations and use Ask the Analyst here. It's whatever means or whatever level of information that you've drilled into, we take that context window with us automatically so you can start to interrogate that data, which is really neat, really quick in terms of delivering those context windows, which are vital for quality results, to make sure that the information that you are provided back by any sort of AI, you can then use the evidence, you can use the real data to say, yes, I know this to be true because I've actually seen it, I've heard it from that individual. Hope it was helpful. Please give me some feedback. Let me know, as usual, if you've got any questions, any queries, we are here to answer those. Many thanks.